Portfolio. Starting from the dashboard, you can enter the portfolio by clicking on the name of the wallet. Doing so, you open the Portfolio Analysis page, where you can see your wallet divided by sector thanks to the pie chart. You can also choose a benchmark, which in this case is Bitcoin, but you can quickly change it. On the right part of the screen, you can import the crypto by clicking on the green button, or you can select crypto directly, for example, BTC. Or you can see what the total dollar value of your portfolio is, broken down by macro business sectors. If you go to a section like Supply Chain and Logistic, you can see which crypto assets belong to the sector. If you click on the chart again, the software opens the analysis window of the single crypto, where you can see the main statistical indicators. You can insert a quantity in the portfolio, or you can also consult the website for further information. To go back to the initial page, you have to click on Portfolio.